This is part 1 of Bob's Pets. First, we're going to look at some of the CVC words in our story. Let's review. CVC words are words with 3 letters, a consonant, then a vowel, then a consonant. CVC words use the short vowel sounds shown in the pictures below. Say the sounds with me. A, apple. E, egg. I, iguana. O, octopus. And U, umbrella. Those are the sounds we're going to use when we read our CVC words. Also remember to use a B or D strategy like any of these when you get to a B or D that you are decoding in a CVC word. Let's practice. CVC words can be sounded out. These are words in the story. Let's sound them out together. Ready? Say the sounds. B, b. Bob. Say it out loud with me. D, g. Dog. G, hog. Hop. Nice work. Let's look at the next line. Say the sounds with me and blend to make the word. G, log. Not. Mom. Got. Great job. Let's do some more. Let. This word is a CVC word with an apostrophe S. Let's look at the CVC part. Say the sounds. B, Bob. And then we have an apostrophe S, so we say bobs. This word is a CVC word with an S at the end to make it plural, or more than one. Say the sounds with me. Pet. And at an S, pets. Great job. Now we're going to take a look at some CVC words that we're going to read fluently. That means we're going to read them quickly and with expression. All right, let's go ahead and begin with this top row. As I point, you will say the sounds and then blend the word. I'm going to go kind of quickly. Sat, dad. Fig, ham, pod. Great work. Did you say them out loud with me? Here's the next row. Zen, van, gas, yet, box. Let's take a look at the final row. Here we go. Mid, jog, leg, ram, cod. Awesome work. So we practiced our CVC words that we can decode and say the sounds to. Now we're going to look at some sight words. Sight words are words we need to know by sight. We need to know them quickly. Some of our sight words we can decode and say the sounds to, but many of them have heart parts like this one. And we need to remember those parts by heart because they aren't the normal sounds we say when we sound out. Take a look at this word. This is the word R. Say R. The word R has hearts here because we can't hear the E, it's silent. And the AR says R. This is the word over. There's a heart under the O because the O makes the O sound, not ah, like we often have when we sound out. Take a look at this word. Say said. This is the word said. The AI says like the E sound. This is the word likes. Say likes. With the word likes, we have an I and a silent E. The E makes the I say its name, but the E doesn't make any sound. Likes. This is the word does. Say does. The OUS says uz. That S is making a Z sound like it does at the end of some words. Does. Say that. This is the sight word that. The TH makes the th sound. That. Say for. This is the sight word for. The OR makes the OR sound. For. Say he. This is the sight word he. The E is making its long vowel sound, E. Those are our sight words. Now we're going to play the game Beat the Teacher. Get out a highlighter, crayon, marker, or pencil, and get ready to play. For this game, you'll need this paper in front of you, and you're going to try to say the word before I do. When I point, you'll say the word. You'll listen to hear how I say the word, and if you said it correctly, you're going to highlight the word. Ready? Here we go. Say the word. R. Draw one line across with your highlighter or underline with your crayon or pencil if you said the word R. Say the next word. Over. Highlight or draw a line underneath if you said over. Continue doing this for the rest of the game. Say the next word. Said. Say the next word. Likes. Say the next word. Does. Say the next word. That. Say the next word. For. And say the last word. He. Take a look at how many words you highlighted from your list. Count them up and put the score below. Now we're going to do it again. This time you're going to see if you can beat your score from last time and have more words that you highlighted and a bigger number on the bottom. Ready? Here we go. Say the first word. R. Say the next word. Over. Say the next word. Said. Say the word. Likes. Say the word. Does. Say the word. That. Say the word. For. And say the last word. He. Count up how many words you had highlighted and write your score below. It's time for our last row and our last round of Beat the Teacher. Get ready and say the first word. R. Say the next word. Over. Say the word. Said. Say the word. Likes. Say the word. Does. Say the word. That. Say the word. For. And say the last word. He. Count up how many words you had highlighted here and write your score below. Did you get better each time that you practiced? Great work! Now we're going to play Sight Word Detective. Look for these sight words here that we just practiced in our book, Bob's Pets. On page 1, there's one sight word. Look for it as I read. Bob has a dog and a hog. The hog and the dog are pets. Say the sight word that you see. Did you say are? Great work. On page 2, there are two sight words. Look for them as I read. Bob likes his pets. Mom got the dog and the hog for Bob. Say the two sight words that you see. Did you say likes and for? Nice job. There are two sight words on this page. The hog does not like the dog. Say the two sight words that you see. Did you say does? And then I said this was a sight word, like, even though it's not exactly the same as our sight word, likes. All right, let's see how many sight words we have on this page. One sight word on page 4. The hog has a log. He will not let the dog go on his log. Say the sight word that you see. Did you say he? Great. This page has 5 sight words. Be looking as I read. The dog likes to hop over the log. The hog does not like that. Say the 5 sight words that you found. Did you say likes? Over? Does? Like? And that? Wow, that was a lot of them to find. On our last page, we have 2 sight words. The hog can hop over the log too. This is my log, said the hog. Say the 2 sight words that you found. Did you say over and said? Awesome work being a sight word detective. Now that we found our sight words, we are ready to read the whole story. Let's read it together. Say the words out loud along with me. Ready? Here we go. Bob's pets. Did you say the words with me? Keep saying the words as we read together. Ready? Here we go. Bob has a dog and a hog. The hog and the dog are pets. Bob likes his pets. Mom got the dog and the hog for Bob. The hog does not like the dog. The hog has a log. He will not let the dog go on his log. The dog likes to hop over the log. The hog does not like that. The hog can hop over the log too. This is my log, said the hog. Were you able to read along with me? Nice job. The book together. Now we'll do some duet reading. I'll read the words in white and you'll say the words in yellow. So for example, I would say Bob's and you would say pets. Let's try it. Bob's. Keep reading all of the words in yellow. Ready? Here we go. Bob, a, and hog. Hog, the, are. Great work. Keep saying all the words out loud that are in yellow. Bob, his, mom, the, and hog, Bob. Keep reading. The does like dog. The has log. Will let dog on log. The likes hop. The does like. We don't have time to finish the last page, but we'll read some more duet reading in the next section, which is Bob's Pets video number 2.